Welcome to the next video in our series of What Would Your Blender Ask? Coaching wisdom from your kitchen, where we're using common household items from our kitchen as metaphors for questions we should be asking ourselves about our work and life. And I'm going to share with you probably my favorite appliance in the whole joint. You see it? Oh, this is the elixir of love. Oh, and it's still warm. And so the question I want you to ask yourself is, what's brewing? What's brewing? So when we ask that question, it's really thinking about, where do we notice that something is slowly progressing, something is coming down the path, even though it's not there yet? So when I think about what's brewing for me, practically, I got a bunch of new keynotes coming up, and that's brewing. Emotionally, a sense of excitement because I'm getting ready to go on vacation. So just take a moment to check in with yourself and ask yourself, what's brewing? And of course, go check out all our other kitchen items that are metaphors for work and life.